Greetings all and welcome back to Math in Anger, episode 15. In this episode we're going to look at what the division symbol means, and again, what the division symbol means in arithmetic. Right, first thing I want to draw to your attention is just with multiplication, there are several different ways in which we write division. We will get to these. We will deal with them, each one in their own time. It is all just still division, right? But for now, I want to bring your attention back to what we had in the previous episode, where I explained to you what multiplication is and what the formal definition actually means. If you take a look at this, it is 4 times 3. In other words, how many times to add 3 to itself before you get a result. And in this case, it is 4 times. Now, early in school, we get taught division. And we are told you subtract something from 12. You subtract something from something, and you've got as many times as you could subtract. That's your answer. And it isn't wrong. It's not wrong. I mean, if you take a look at this, it's 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so it can only go into 12 3 times. The thing is, this concept causes trouble for you as you progress further and further into mathematics. So, take this idea and bring it back to addition. Because when you start working with very large numbers and with algebra, it is better to work with plus than it is to work with minus. And you'll see what I mean by that in a moment. All right, here's what I do. It is, I go and I say 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, I can't carry on any further because if I do, I'll have something that is greater than 12. And I now know that I can add 3 to itself 4 times. There's a little bit of a better way that I use personally to write this. And here's what I do. I go and do 3 and 3. That makes 6. Okay, those two make 12. Stop. Then I know I can only add 3 to itself 4 times. Again, please take division, bring it back to adding. And it still boils down to go and practice your single digit arithmetic. Go practice that, guys. You will be amazed at how quickly this works. But we're going to carry on and talk more about division a little bit further along. I just wanted you to learn to take it back to addition, not subtraction. Arithmetic is the art of addition. Understand it that way. It helps you in the future. Right, this was Math in Anger, episode 15. I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.